How to view your WhatsApp chat history. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your WhatsApp chat history in few easy steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Once you are in, you land on the Chat tab, where all your conversations are listed. Tap on any contact or group chat to open the full chat history. You can scroll up to see all your previous messages, including text, image, and voice notes. Want to find something specific? Then tap the three dots menu. Or for iPhone user, tap on the search bar on the top. Then type a word or phrase to search through the chat. You can also export your chat history by going to the same three-dot menu, selecting More and Export Chat, and choosing whether to include media or not. And that's it. This is how you can view your entire chat history on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.